Ecclesiastes 10, verse 8 says, when you work in a quarry, stones might fall and crush you. When you chop wood, relate to other people and how we relate to God. The risk to do. I'm going to.
Madam Osnat Rubrani, the UNDP resident representative in the region. The UNDP PRRP team, our friends Live and Learn, and participants of this morning's workshop. Very good morning and a warm welcome to the Western Division. I stand on behalf of the government of Fiji, on behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister, and on behalf of the people of Fiji, and on behalf especially of the people and citizens of the Western Division, to say a few words in relation to the PRRP program here in Fiji, and also to convey our deepest gratitude and sincere appreciation to UNDP, Madam Osnat, and also to the team of PRRP here in Fiji. Basically, government has always been part of this program straight from the very beginning in its initial stages. At that time, I was the Director of Disaster Management, and I also had the opportunity to work with the PRRP program in Fiji and also in its regional meetings in the Solomon Islands and, of course, in Vanuatu. And looking at the initiatives of the PRRP, I felt the government had taken up the initiative very seriously, in which the Permanent Secretary, the Minister for the Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development, together with the Permanent Secretaries and all the senior staff, had very seriously looked into how best we can work with the PRRP program to benefit the whole of Fiji, and especially in this area of climate change adaptation and disaster risk management. For the PRRP program in its initial stages and working closely with the program, one of the major highlights was the approval from the UNDP and PRRP program to establish the 4 project posts for the 4 divisions here in Fiji. And I've always felt and always very active on trying to get that post established in the structures of the disaster risk management here in Fiji. Prior to establishing the post as Director of Disaster Management, I've always felt that we have a very weak link from national to the divisional and provincial level. And I've always advocated to our leaders in the ministry to at least have a DRM post in the 4 divisions. And then the PRRP program came across. I'm very thankful that they've taken that aboard to establish those 4 posts, of which we had the induction yesterday. Those 4 posts, we are going to work with government to adopt those 4 posts after the program. And I will continue to work at that level in establishing the 4 posts for Fiji. Again, I thank the PRRP program coordinators, the team, Mr. Malani, Mr. Mutaza especially, Vela and your team, for always working closely with government and trying to establish these initiatives and assisting the people of Fiji to being resilient, for one, to be disaster awareness, to upgrade all the systems in places in order to better prepare the place in the face of any hazards coming through. We held a workshop. We held a workshop last year, the PRRP program, and I'm very thankful for the support and assistance given by UNDP for funding that workshop, because for the Western Division, it has really put the Western Division, for all the sectors in the Western Division, in somewhat a strong foothold in terms of preparation across all the sectors. And then straight after, while we were still working on some of the outcomes of the workshop itself, we had tropical cyclone Ula that came through the 1st of January, and then we had tropical cyclone Winston, and then the heavy rains of tropical cyclone Zina. Even though the destruction was devastating, but I felt that the sectors, especially the education and the agricultural sector, were better positioned in terms of how they manage that hazard. And I thank UNDP, I thank the PRRP, Mr. Malani and your team, for being very close to government in terms of knowledge and information sharing, which has better prepared the officials and also the public in the face of disaster. This morning, just before I close, again, I must apologize for coming in late. I was just telling Vela and Mr. Malani that I had a bit of a glitch with my official vehicle, which had its timing belt gone. So I had to use my private vehicle to come in. And I was just jokingly said that we are better managers of disaster. We can overcome any disaster as it comes through, or even on a daily basis. So that I must apologize for. I also have brought with me two PowerPoint slides. One is how the Western Division had embraced these PRRP programs, the initiatives that had come through from the PRRP programs, and how we are trying to work it out here at the divisional level. I will not talk about national level. We will try to link from the divisional level to the national level, or a bottom-up approach. But at national level, they are also working towards achieving the intentions of getting the country into adopting all these climate change and disaster risk management initiatives into policies, and also to strategize on how to implement it at national and at divisional level. And the second presentation is just an overview of how the Western Division had responded to Tropical Cyclone Winston. It is just a few slides, just an overview, and probably the team can talk about it later during the program over the course of the next 2 days. Before I go into the presentations proper, again on behalf of government, on behalf of the Prime Minister, the ministers, the Minister of Rural and Maritime Development, permanent secretaries, especially the Minister and PSs of both the ministries, Education and Agriculture. I again would like to again say thank you very much for the assistance and support that you've given to the government that will really benefit the people of Fiji. Nakabaglev.